A normal traditional life insurance policy comes with a death benefit. If the insured party passes away, that death benefit's paid out. But modern living benefit policies come with additional payout triggers built in for no additional cost. Triggers for terminal illness, chronic illness, critical illness, and even critical injury. What makes living benefit policies special is that through these additional features, the insured and their family are now financially protected against not only death, but also the risk of surviving one of dozens of additional severe health events. Events that could happen to anyone at any time and wreak havoc on your financial picture. The terminal illness rider is going to pay out if you become terminally ill. So if a doctor ever says you have less than 1 year to live, you're going to be able to go ahead and get the vast majority of that death benefit in your hands. The chronic illness rider pays out if you suffer any health event that leaves you unable to care for yourself for 3 months or more. So if you're unable to do 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, and that's dressing, toileting, eating, bathing, continence, and transferring for a 90-day period, you're going to be able to start accessing money from your living benefits to help with that situation. The critical illness rider is going to pay out if you suffer a covered critical illness, cancer, heart attack, stroke, major organ transplant, and others are covered here. The amount you're able to access from your policy depends on the severity of your illness. The more severe or life-threatening the illness is, the more you'll be offered. Of all the living benefit riders, this is the one we see the most action on because cancer, heart attack, stroke, this is the stuff that happens most often. And the critical injury rider works the same way as the critical illness rider, but this one covers severe injuries like coma, paralysis, traumatic brain injury, and severe burns. As you can see, a living benefits policy gives you financial protection in so many more scenarios than just death. And the kicker is that these living benefits are free. You won't pay more for a living benefits policy than you would for a traditional policy that's only going to pay out if you die. So if you've got life insurance, make sure it's the new kind that comes with free living benefits and get a lot more protection for your premium dollar.